Second run down. Jump. Heck yeah, I'm good off that. Like, I catch speed so fast. What is that? Oh, I don't want to. Oh, I should have hit that. That's so easy. Oh well. Yeah, you fucking catch. Or maybe it's because I waxed my board, but. Woo! Alright. Yeah. Yeah, it's like, I'm like literally flying on ice, it feels like. Oh. Gotta be careful. Oh, caught a little bit off that. I actually stuck. I've never stuck before, so that was a cool experience. Ah, yes. The shit's here. Just going through the, oh my god, the ruts. Oh my god. If I catch too much speed, it's over. I gotta be careful, actually. I might fucking, oops. I might crash here. Oh. Wow. Down. Whew. What is that? Giant steps. Interesting. I wish I should try that way too, but I don't even know. Huh. I'll go down that way next. Whee. Yeah, I should try that. I've never gone down that way. So. It was almost so bad. Be careful here, because you can get so high off that. Whoa! Oh my god, it's so scary. Yikes. Get the body moving. Oh my god, that was so scary. Oh. I should hit that. That's not bad. Whew. Oh. Wow, crazy. Literally insane. Whee! Oh! Oh my god. My back leg is like dying. Let me try. I go backwards? Oh no, this is a bad idea, right? Hey, don't go switch. Oh,